Hey guys, today I'm going to teach on how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp, and all you have to do is to launch button, press on WhatsApp. Then you're going to tap on app info. Then you're going to head on over to storage and cache. You're going to clear the cache and clear the storage. From there, you're going to head on over back and you're going to scroll down until you see app details. And from there, you're going to make sure that you are updated to the latest version. And once you've done that, you're going to be able to see the WhatsApp Meta AI. Another thing that you should remember is it's not all the countries are going to be given that type of a privilege to actually have the WhatsApp Meta AI. So in the case that you are not going to be able to see it, we have to just play the waiting game, and you will see it once they launch it to your country. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.